Now we're going to learn how to add additional documents to your loop and then edit those documents within your loop. So if we scroll down to the mandatory form section, these buying documents, we can see that there are pre-populated forms. These forms already have fields assigned to them. So if you click on one, for instance, such as the contract to purchase, you'll see that the fields are already populated, so you can go ahead and just enter whatever you need into those forms. We'll cover specific forms in the next training and how to fill them out. But for now, just know that if these forms are already pre-populated in your loop, more than likely they come like this, so you don't have to add any text boxes, any signature boxes to them. They come that way, standard. So if we go back, say we want to add our own PDF document, we can do that. We can go click add a document, and then we can click browse. This will allow you to add a PDF from, say, your desktop or somewhere else on your computer that you were sent from a listing attorney, for instance, or if the listing agent sends you some additional forms you need to fill out and you need to upload them to dotloop, you would put them on your desktop, you click browse, and then you can add them to your loop. They'll show up as PDFs. So for instance, this is a PDF, this W-9 document. So when you click the PDF, you'll see that it's already shown up this way. I've already added a signature box here, and you do that by going to add signature, and it will pull up a signature box, which you can place anywhere on the screen. You can move it around, and then you can assign the field. So say you wanted to assign it to your buyer, you would click assign field. I've made my brother a buyer in this instance. Click there, it'll say Alex sign here. And then you can click save or save and share. We click save and share. It will show Alex as the buyer right here. It'll say he has one field assigned. It's that signature box. And then the only permissions he has is he can sign it. If you want to give additional permissions, such as edit in private, where they would be able to customize this document, you can do that. However, it's generally better to minimize the amount of ability to customize the documents for your buyers. That way, they don't change any legal language or do anything that you're unaware of. So in this instance, we'll put consign only, and we would share with them. So we're going to get out of that. Say we wanted to add additional text. We can go to add, we can add text. We'd click on that. It would give us a text box, which we can place anywhere on the screen again. And then we can start typing our text. So as we need it, we can make the text box bigger, smaller. We can change the font size to match what's already in the form. We can do things like bold it, add clauses, change the color. Again, it's just like using Microsoft Word. And then if we want to discard it, we would just click remove field. The field is gone. So once we're done editing the document, again, if we need to share this with a client, we would go to save and share. Say we don't want any of the changes saved, we can just go back. We would click no. And then we would end up back in the main loop screen here. Again, you can edit and mark up any PDF document any way you see fit. All you have to do is add that document. The forms already in .loop have pre-assigned fields that you can just fill in right away. When the status changes on a loop, say we had shared this, it would say shared over here, and it would show the individuals who it shared with. And then on the right-hand side, it gives you additional options to change, for instance, the name of that document if you need to. Again, you don't have to change the name of the PDF before you upload it because you'll be able to do all of that within the loop. And that is how you add new documents to a loop and then edit documents within loop.